Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And today, guys, I'm over in actually a place called Lavington, Kilimani, Lavington, Kilolesha, Riverside, Westlands. All of those places are places where, you know what I mean, tourists here are family. So me and One Love Africa there. And what we are doing today, family, we actually at a place called Junction Mall in Lavington, I think.
Alright, tomorrow
and yeah, family, I just want to show you how Lavington Mall look like.
No,
Also, it's a Kilimani?
Yeah.
Ricardo, know this a place, I know.
Yeah, just live down the road.
Yeah, me just start come over here.
So I bring Jam Tours to Kilimani and then place and show you out. You see it? So this is Kilimani, called Junction Mall.
Yeah.
I look around for all the people in the movie theater. It's here for the kids them. You have food for the kids them. You have everything. It's a friendly, kids family friendly place.
Yeah, yeah.
It's nice, man.
Yeah, man. So we're there, family. We got match up something for the restaurant. And it's my first time coming over here. So so let me just show you around, guys.
Those who love KFC's here.
Art Cafe, KFC.
Art Cafe, go check them burger bun.
Oh, you want to check the burger bun?
Yeah.
Maybe they security stop me or so, but let we go on.
One thing here, go search. Make sure you go through good.
Yeah. Yeah. The camera up there for me, man.
You said never let me go. 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 You said
Garlic. That's how we got so hard. Nana breaks in our car. Oh yeah. What the other side? It's just the whiskey I want now. I call him already. That's why we got so hard. And a brakes in my car. The liquor store there. Open 10 to 10. This time. Tell them where you go.
And this, one never come get it. I buy a bottle of whiskey.
Yeah.
Because at Ranjam Reggae Bistro, we have whiskey wings.
Yeah.
How much for it? $7.50
Yeah.
for 9 piece or 8 piece, something
Yeah.
like that. I have to make the jerk wings, smoke it up on the grill.
Yeah.
You need to tell you the procedure. Just know, so you buy wings, you get whiskey wings.
Whiskey,
Yeah, man, so
whiskey wings Wednesday.
3 different type of whiskey
Yeah.
in one wings order.
Yeah.
So I put this on ice. So you guys want to taste some whiskey wings, the Jamaica jerk wings,
Yeah.
spicy, barbecue, non-spicy, whiskey wings.
Yeah.
Come up branch and regular this shop. Get
Yeah.
it.
1148 Lavington.
1148.
Flames, light it up.
114 bus park.
You said never let me go. 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 You
Let's do that then. Man. Go hard. Eh?
Get the juice.
Oh, zucchini.
Mm-hmm.
Let me check and see.
Get the juice already. Oh, that's the park car doing something. Don't understand it.
No man, up that side there.
Let's look, if we look chase up.
I'll go around.
I'm going, yeah. I think we must go to park.
A social yard. Yeah, family. So we actually done with you know what I mean, shopping in Kafo at Junction Mall. Also, we also have to make another step, right?
Stop.
Another stop
Yeah, man.
at another place.
Valley Arcade.
Valley Arcade.
Valley Arcade will not be fun.
Yeah. Yeah man, right, that's all. So family, continue watching this vlog, like, share and comment. Let me know when you're pulling up to the restaurant. Sample and taste some Jamaican food. We there. I do the thing. And we are do the right thing. I'm out. Continue watching this vlog. Like, share and comment while we go. In a Kenya with it. See it there? See it there. Yeah family, so we're there Valley Arcade. Arcade cheap, Louis V pan feet. Slogan say have the sauce for the meat. Travel Fox pan feet, well unique.
Bubble tea. You want bubble tea? It's right over there. Bubble tea. It's a meat place.
I meat place this.
Yeah. Maybe a butcher.
Ah. Yeah family, so we're there Valley Arcade. Out there we are look for some, see if we get some meat as a slogan, so, which I don't eat. Good, I'm good, I'm good.
How much per kg for you? Yeah.
780.
780?
780.
780 at 40.
780.
Wow.
1 kilo.
1 kilo?
Yeah.
Yeah, fam, I'm gonna leave Ricardo and make him do the maths because I'm the chef. But me know I'm there, I got the family. Just want to talk to you and show you what go on. So we're there in Kenya. This is like a kids thing where you can walk on. I don't know if I can go up there, but I am going. Then you walk on it like this. It's like a canopy. Canopy walk. Like a canopy family. So yeah, we're in an arcade. Valley Arcade in Lavington. This is what it looks like, family. Valley Arcade is a lot store. You have Forex Group, we have a bank. You go all the way back. You have meat, you have store. You know what I mean? A lot of stuff, family. So, like, share, and comment on this video. Let me know your thoughts. One love. God bless. Jamaica. I'm out.